Today, we're sharing 5 overused words that might be weakening your speech and how to replace them with stronger alternatives. Let's get started. Just. Meaning, used to minimize or soften a statement. In a sentence, I just wanted to check if you received my email. Why it's weak, it makes your statement sound hesitant and less confident. Maybe. Meaning, expresses uncertainty or lack of commitment. In a sentence, maybe we should try a different approach. Why it's weak, it suggests indecisiveness, making your suggestions less persuasive. Sorry. Meaning, expresses an apology, often overused unnecessarily. In a sentence, sorry, can I ask a question? Why it's weak, overusing sorry diminishes its impact and makes you appear less assertive. Like. Meaning, used as a filler word in conversations. In a sentence, it was, like, the best movie I've seen. Why it's weak, overusing like makes you sound less articulate and confident. Think. Meaning, expresses uncertainty or lack of confidence in an idea. In a sentence, I think this plan could work. Why it's weak, it weakens your statement by making it sound unsure. Quick tip: eliminating these weak words from your vocabulary can help you sound more assertive, confident, and persuasive.